Okay, confession time. Back in 2022, I got this awesome landscape course by Philip Sue on 21 Draws. Did I follow it? Well, kinda. But I never really got into landscapes. Maybe I just wasn't ready then. I tried to come up with my own sketches and ideas, and let's just say it did not end well. But things have changed big time. Recently, I felt this real surge of inspiration to dive back into landscapes. I think the reason it didn't work before was I wasn't quite there yet in my journey. But now... Sorry. But now I am excited. I even joined Philip's Patreon earlier this year to get more of his tips, and that might have been another spark that lit this fire. Here's the thing. Landscapes open up new ways to tell stories. I mean, I love drawing characters and animals, but the plain, empty backgrounds just don't cut it anymore. Imagine if I could set my characters in entire worlds. Like, take Philip's fan art of Demon Slayer. That kind of depth and setting adds so much. Why not create that for my art? So, back to the course. Philip's setup is pretty user-friendly. He even shares his own brush set. It's Photoshop ready, works good in Procreate, okay in Affinity, but unfortunately not at all in the software I'm using today, Rebelle 7 Pro. So I got a workaround. Instead of his brushes, I'm using the lasso tool, which, by the way, has been a game changer. Shout out to Digital Art with Mark on YouTube for that tip. And yes, I have learned the hard way that you don't actually need the exact brushes as your favorite artist to get the look. But I won't lie, it's tempting to think that one magic brush will fix everything. It's a bad habit, honestly, I'm working on breaking it. There is always a good default brush that will do the trick. Finding it is the real challenge. Another challenge for me, sticking to a color palette. Limiting myself to a few colors feels like trying to fit an ocean in a teacup. But I'm trying to get better at it. For this piece, I'm using the same palette Philip used for his cold landscape piece. I actually tried doing landscape workout by Nathan Fox last year, but didn't quite get into the groove. I was using Affinity Photo, and the obsession with finding the perfect brush became a big hurdle. But now that scholarship let you buy individual courses, I'm thinking of giving his environment workout a shot. So no, my landscapes aren't perfect yet, but I'm proud of what I'm making. Next time, maybe I will lasso tool that mountain in the back instead of brushing it. Art is a journey, and landscapes, they are my latest adventure. So if you ever struggle with feeling stuck or finding the right tool, just remember, it's all part of the process. Another thing, don't be afraid to try something new. Mess up a few times and maybe even find a new favorite tool along the way. Until next time, happy drawing!